born and raised in San Diego, grew up really son of a developer builder, and my grandmother as well. Learned a lot of what I know now in the multifamily space from them. Good things and bad things, right? Things that I would appreciate and have been able to bring through, and then things that I'm like, man, that's never gonna happen because I'm just not gonna follow that track. And one of them was the financial crisis. My dad was really good at building things and selling things, right? Whether it's a subdivision of single family homes or it's a 300-400 unit apartment complex that he would build and sell to an institutional firm, that would buy it. But he would never hold them. And I'm like, mistake number one, that equity and that growth and holding those things is where the money's at long term. But he would always sell them and make a big pop. But he would also then get into condos and kind of for sale product and got caught. He went through 3 cycles in his 40-year career, and then the 4th cycle was the financial crisis of 2008 and 9. At that point, I think there was $20 million in assets, $80 million in liabilities, so a $60 million bankruptcy. That was a problem. And it was, watching that happen, it was so violent and the velocity of it was so rapid that there was no way he could catch it because the values were going down too fast. So, and watching what it did to families, to other investors, to ourselves, to even myself, I lost a bunch of money in that, and he lost everything. And, he kind of found a way to bounce back a little bit, but never really fully recovered from it because I was, when he was early 60s at that time. So his ability to come back from that was tough. First of all, it's humbling as hell because you go from, I wasn't born into wealth. We lived on Dory Road in Bonita, California, in a little 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. And my dad was completely self-made, an Army brat, and made it completely. He grew up in a really bad household. He learned from that and created his own wealth and taught us everything through it. So, he had his zero to hero journey, if you want to call it that, and self-made millionaire.